Hi, I wanted to show you a way to limit your emails that you're getting from Google Classroom. So go into your Google Classroom and you're going to click on these three lines right here in the top left. You're going to go all the way to the bottom to Settings. Now I've already adjusted my settings, and so you want to definitely turn this one right here off. This is showing you every time a teacher posts an assignment, you're going to get an email for it. And that is what is creating so many emails in your inbox. So if you turn this one off, that will limit the emails greatly. You can choose to keep this one on if you want, due date reminders. That might be important for you. That's a total personal decision, so you have to decide that one. And then these comments on posts and comments that mention you, we turn those off because you're not really commenting on Google Classroom anyway, so there's nothing there that you would need. Okay, so settings from your Google Classroom, click on settings, and then turn off some of those notifications for email, and you'll be good to go.